Now the topic before us is what are the benefits of using a barter system? The barter system is less prevalent in modern times. It is not used mostly. But still, barter system has many benefits. It is simple. How it is simple? There is direct exchange of goods and services. Direct exchange of goods and services. The barter system does not require complex financial system. In this world, when we are using debit card or credit card, it may be possible that some payment may be struck because there may be some technical issue. Internet connectivity may be gone at the end of the receiver or at the end of the sender, or there may be some other technical issues and the payment may not reach the other person. But in this case, in the barter system, the person on the spot exchange goods and services with one another. There is no problem and the transaction is complete. Next is barter system is efficient. This system of exchange of goods and services between individuals is very efficient, particularly in the case of communities where they are having less access to currency. There may be areas in each and every part of the world where the communities may not be having free access to currency. Either they may be very backward or they may be living in some very remote area where they may not be in a position to get currency. So in that case, in case of those communities, as already discussed, in the case of communities which are living in Amazon rainforest, in the case of some African communities, this barter system, this system of exchange of goods and services is very efficient. Next benefit is community building. When two persons are exchanging goods with one another, it is a trade between persons face to face. They come together and one person says, I want to sell, I want to exchange this good, and the other person says, okay, I am ready to take your goods in return. So when there is trade between two persons face to face, it results in social interaction. When social interaction is there, it promotes social interaction and it also promotes community building, some sort of relationship between the people and the communities comes into existence. Next point is barter system is green and sustainable. Barter system can promote sustainability. How? Suppose we are having a furniture and we want to change it. Though furniture is good, but we want to change it with change of fashion or due to some other reason. There may be some other people or some shopkeepers who may be ready to exchange you the old furniture with some plastic chairs. You may go to a shopkeeper and he may be ready that he will provide you some plastic chairs in return of your old furniture. They will use it and sell it to some other persons. So in this case, you will please observe that when the furniture is made of wood, this furniture will be used by some other persons. So there will be no need to cut wood, which is a source of oxygen all over the world. So plants and trees will be saved from cutting. So the barter system promotes greenery and sustainability. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.